So this is problem number 6 from homework section 3.1. We want to find out when the function would have a positive values with the help of plotting a graph. Well, if it doesn't require us to plot the graph, one thing you can do is try to use the sign chart to solve the problem with which is essentially inequality. But of course, it asks you to plot the graph, so we are going to try to plot the graph here. So the function f of x, if you look at it, the leading term is negative 2x, x, and x, hence negative 2x cubed. Therefore, the end behavior is going to look like negative x, hence it's going to look like up and down here. Well, the next thing about my x-intercepts is supposed to be negative 3.5, negative 1.5, and 2. So negative 3.5, negative 1.5, and 2. So my concern here is to identify the corresponding multiplicity because they are all of order 1. So I know the multiplicity is 1, so my function always goes across the axis, goes across the axis, and goes across the x-axis for all three different cases. Well, so basically when I'm looking for it being positive, it means I cannot be having a value of 0 or less than 0. So I should be staying above the x-axis, which means I should be here, which I'm above the x-axis, excluding the boundary, which is exactly has a height of 0. And also in between this, I'm also above the x-axis. Therefore, my final answer is negative infinity through negative 3.5 combined with negative 1.5 through 2. You know that you want to use a union in the final answer when you submit it to Brightspace. So this is what we have.